See the, oop, see the color change from the silt from across the road? All of that's washing down here. Oh, keep It's a little bit crazy right here. Ground, just soft, real muddy. Oh, it's pretty cool. Pretty cool here. Oh. Pretty cool if I bust my butt. Mr. Prickly Pear gets lots of water. Hear that water running? We just had a really good storm. Nice little shower. Rough down there, so I might go running down there. But we got the water here. You can see it. I've not seen it running like this, but this is what I'd imagined it would run like after a storm like that. This is the first time I've been out after a rainstorm. This will all make its way down to the lampasas. Where's that pin come from? Soft dirt. Soft. Right down there. I cleaned out some of that the other day. This is my border oak tree. It's really awesome. I need to clean out around that. Really awesome oak tree. Down here. I know right where this is going. Again, pretty cool. I've seen this one is kind of wet after. Looky. Back in there, still needs to be cleaned out more. I cleaned out some last week. It's visible on the other side. Creaky. Soft and swampy this will be. It's always soft here. This is really kind of the northern side of the long ways of my property. Again, I know it's probably shaky. Whoops, sorry. I know he'd bug me too, but I can't do anything about it right now. But see how silty this is. This is all silt from across the street. This little draw is officially on the plat called drainage easement. Borderline crosses, this creek crosses the borderline, so but it pretty much runs down it. So it's kind of a pretty cool little lake. Oh man, look how much water is there. This is the watering hole on the property right here. Look at that. I should dam that. What a pool. This does always have water in it. It's cloudy, but it'll filter out a little bit. Watch for some sort of filter I could put on the water for the silt. There's Mr. Red Oak that was pushed over. However, I found his mate. I think it's a red oak or maybe a maple. I need to verify that, the leaves. I don't know, but that tree is pretty done in too, so anyway. So nasty and dirty. Look at this. It is nasty and sludgy. I guess if you needed water, boil it, hopefully filter it, but it's a messy little spot here. I think this is officially off my property, I think. But what we come up on here is this. Hey, yeah. Oh, it's fun to see lots of water. Look at all that. Didn't I see this once or twice a week for a good 2 months into summer? Not gonna happen. It's a cool little area. One little waterfall. I think this is still a little bit off my property. This whole little area is cool. Where the water runs. A lot of water. Okay, it's gonna run down to that draw. But nobody else here. Whee! Let's go here and now this spot is cool. I found this. I think this is where the animals cross to the other side. There's one of the spots here in the ravine. Got a cool spot right in here. Rocks are slick. Nobody knows where I'm at. So they come down in here in various areas through here. This would be a cool area of the ravine, I think, like a little hidden spot. Kind of a little circular, put a little table here, chairs or something. Get rid of these vines, clean this area up a little bit, just so you got this little inside area in here. Might scare off the animals though. Be kind of sad, but I got it. So, all right. So we've right up in there is that waterfall area, quite a bit of ways. We've turned the corner and we are probably on the eastern border, I guess, would it be. Or we're at the corner if we haven't turned it. And this makes a turn down to the river. You can see how it curves, kind of, maybe. It's pretty rough. Seen hogs in here. Hogs like the rain. Oh, look at this spot. Now this is a cool little spot. Yeah, see. Don't come down here though. You can see it. They go right up there. There, kind of makes a trail out. They could come down here though. I think this is where I've seen them hogs. I don't see no hog water though. I'm close to me. That's as far as I can go. I can go down there a little further. I might as well just here have a look. Starting rain again, no. Still lightning. I need to get my ass out of here.